So let's take a look at this one. We have square equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hollow square, white squares, and black square equals times this one equals 20. Okay, so this one's a little bit different. Okay, so now everybody, I'm going to start to explain this question. Okay, so this question is using a little bit different techniques. Okay, so using different techniques, but the techniques do have a name. So what is the name of that techniques? That's called listing.
Oh, I think I know how to do it.
Leo always like that. So at the very beginning, he said, "Oh, I stuck. As soon as he heard my voice, he immediately said, "Oh, I got it." So Leo, next time, go to any contest, okay, or go to school. He need to bring an something like contains my voice. Okay, when he got stuck by any questions, he just say, "Okay, let me hear something from Carrie." So the moment he heard my voice, everything so. Correct, everybody? Don't you think so? Okay, so let's
No,
give it. Yeah, I think everybody's nodding heads. Okay, Leo, you know what? Yeah, I think that's a very good idea. Okay, I just record something. Say, hello, everybody. Do you know how to do it? The moment Leo heard that, he knows how to do it immediately. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. We have a black square equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 white one. So if you want to using the algebra, this is actually equals x equals 5y. Correct, everybody? Correct? Okay. So if using the other one, but some people said, I don't like algebra, that's fine. You can just do the black one, which is purple right now for me, equals 5 white one. Correct? Or we say diamond shape. Okay, so we know the diamond times square, not plus, okay, times square equals 20. Okay, so everybody, this was different than the one before, right? Because it seems totally different. The logic is not working this one. But everybody, if you take a look at this one using my listing techniques, you're going to find out it's very easy to do it again. So I hope you still remember. Violet, do you still remember I talked to you? I said I like multiplication better than plus and minus. And people think, as a teacher, you cannot be biased. I know, but the thing is, actually, multiplication is much helpful when we are doing listing. Think about it. If it is diamond plus square equals 20, there are going to be tons of possibilities. 1 plus 19, 2 plus 18, and 3 plus 17, and da da da. There are 20 possible answers, 21, 22, right? But if it is diamond times square, it's different. Because if they're integer, they times together, it's only 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. Correct, Andrew? Okay, when you only have 3 possibilities, you can just go back and check. If, oh, sorry, there are another one, okay? It could be back because you see, diamond equals 5 squares. So I draw it wrong. Sorry, I know. You see everything. Okay. I know my drawing is really horrible. See, I prove it wrong. I proved myself right. So let's just do that. Okay, so because I am making the mistakes on So you know diamond should be bigger than the square, right? Because diamond equals 5 squares. So this one should be square. This one should be diamond. Correct, everybody? So let's see. 1 diamond equals 5 square. No, this one's not right because 1
Oh.
diamond equals 20 square. And this one, 1 diamond equals 5 square. Yes, we get the answer. This one's not right. So immediately you get square equals 2, diamond equals 10. Get
I
it?
think this is another way. I did it like another way.
Okay, so Leah, do you want to share us your way?
So basically, if the diamond is x and then the square is y, so
I already
it will
helped you. So
equal
x equals 5y and x
yeah. So
equals 20, correct?
yeah, so it'll be 5x
Mhm.
times x equals 20. So it's equal to 5x squared equals 20, right? There's also, and then 20,
1 second. So x equals 5y. You can replace 5y with x. So it's 5y times y equals 20.
oh no,
correct?
no, I didn't I just did put x as a diamond.
Oh, okay. That's the same thing. Okay.
Basically, it's 20 divided by 5 equals
Yeah.
x squared.
Squared. Very good.
Yeah,
So
so
y
so
equals
4 equals
very good. Equals 2, right? Because now we're only studying about the positive scenario. Very good. Very good, Leo. I think you got everything because you heard my voice, correct?
Yeah.
All right. Are you my biggest fan? And you're saying, nah. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at next one, okay? So if you can take a look at this one, so please take a look at the question first. I'm going to call a one girl's name who is Violet. Could you please help me to read the question? Yeah, you didn't turn on the mic.
4 teams are competing against one another for district volleyball championship. Every team must play exactly 1 against the other 3 teams. So far, Team A has played 3 matches, Team B has played 2 matches, and Team D has played 1 match. How many matches has Team C played?
Yeah, so how to do it, everybody? So if you want to do this properly, I would like you to do a listing, do a what? Do a drawing, a graph. Okay, let's draw a graph first. So see, if A is playing 3 matches with the other rest of the team, that means he is what? Playing with B, with C, and with D, right? And while we're playing games, everybody, you have to know that while A is playing game with C, it also consider that C is playing game with A as well. Do you understand? Okay, so it's not like just a one way around because, you know, Leo, if you like me, that means I also like you. Okay, so Evan likes fish. That means fish likes Evan back as well. Correct, everybody? Okay, so Violet is giving me some gift the other day, like a little bracelet. She braced her. She did it herself. That's really pretty. And I'm thinking about like, yeah, so that's the same thing. Okay, so that's the same thing as like you are given somebody a game. You're having a game with somebody, and that means that people is having the game with you as well. Okay, so team B is playing exactly 2 matches. So that means team B is only allowed to play 1 matches anything other than A, because A has already played 1 game with B, so that is considered 1 match for B, team B as well. So B is playing with C or D, we don't know, but B could play with D or play with C, right? There's a possibility. But let's take a look at this one. Since D only played 1 match, so that means D only played with A. So B cannot play with D at all. So B could only play with C. Get it, everybody? But Andrew, if you put everything in your little brain, I'm not saying, sorry, big brain. If you put everything in your big brain, even you are very smart, there's still possibility you're gonna forget, right? You're gonna forget about it. So the best way is what? Listed and eliminate all the impossible outcome, and whatever left is only the thing is possible. So how many matches does Team C played? 1, 2. Get it, everybody? Okay, so this is a method of doing all of them. Okay, so let's do practice. We have learned all the method. Okay, so we have learned all the different techniques. We have learned what? Do you still remember? We have learned the listing. We have learned the logic. We have learned like eliminate the impossible outcome, right? We also have learned that find out something is irregular, correct? So that is the start of we are doing some practice. Did you see my dog, Jackie?
There's 2 dogs. They're so cute. It's like
Yeah.
they're cloned.
Yeah. Okay, so everybody, are you ready? So we're going to start
Are
our
they siblings?